Ja te'e Indigeneity tabahanishli nakaidine bashishtin totsone dashiche nakaidine dashinale. Hi, my name is Nina Dormy and I'm the current co-chair of the Stanford Powwow.
Chokma Sohoshovoa Landon Chikasha Saya. Hello, I'm Landon. I'm one of the co-chairs for Powwow this year. We have vendors from all around the country who are selling native crafts and food, and we have cultural celebrations going on in the arena. There will be lots of dances and drum contests.
I see it as an opportunity for other people to see a part of my culture and like other people's cultures and kind of just enjoy the weekend.
The eucalyptus grove is a really natural environment that Stanford keeps healthy and doesn't develop at all. Every year our arena is completely roped off so no cars get in, and we have the grounds blessed by the Muwekma Ohlone tribe.
Usually we bring in around 20 to 30,000 people each year. It's a time for me to be with the Native community at Stanford and outside of Stanford. Since it's one of the larger powwows in the US, it's kind of bringing a lot of different people together from across the country.
I think it's an awesome experience because you really get to see some of the similarities and some of the really big differences between different tribes and the regalia especially. It is a fantastic cultural opportunity. People get to gather from all around the country, but it's also a huge student leadership activity, and all of the Native students come together as one big family to help put on this event, and it's just really something special to see it all happen.